Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. Matrices, one of the easiest chapter in mathematics. What is matrices? Matrices means nothing but a small array of m and n numbers. In array, you'll find elements. What are the elements? Elements means nothing but numbers. Suppose matrices A we are taking. A is equal to some numbers we are saying. So that numbers whatever we are taking it, that is we call it as elements. Mn numbers, Mn means rows and columns together when we prepare, that is matrices. Matrices, whenever we are preparing, we won't be getting one matrices. You will get A, B. A means one matrix. B is another matrix, like A, B, C, like different matrices will be given to you. So according to the requirement, you will be doing additions or subtractions, multiplications, and in further we'll have advanced level of matrices also, that we are going to focus. Now today's class is introduction class. So we will learn basics of matrices, additions, subtractions, multiplication, and further we'll see in the next class. What is matrices? In a simple way, we can define matrices like this. A rectangular array of mn numbers. A rectangular array of mn numbers in m rows and n columns. Where is my another marker? Yeah, got it. A rectangular array of mn numbers. What is this m? What is this n? Okay, we'll see. Mn numbers in m is rows. M is rows, n is columns. Rows and columns together, we can say it as a matrix. Okay. So a rectangular array of mn numbers in m rows and n columns is called matrix. Matrix, singular form. Matrices, plural form. And also you must remember here, m is rows, n is columns. Okay. And the numbers forming a matrix are called its elements. Whatever numbers we take in matrix, that is called as elements. How many elements are given? You'll number it, you'll count it, and you'll say that elements are this much. So that is why these are the elements. Elements means the numbers forming a matrix are called its elements. We shall use capital letters A, B, C. For matrix, we never use small letters. Capital letters A, B, C, etc. to denote matrix. For example, A. A matrices are given like this. What are the elements? 5, 8, 6, 7. In the same way, B matrix. B matrix elements are 10, 9, 7, 12. Like this. Hope you have an understanding. School level we learned it, right? Now, we'll go for the operational rules of matrix. Main important thing. Operational rules of matrix. In operational rules, we'll learn additions and subtractions, multiplications, inverse, and lots of things are there. First, we'll focus only additions and subtractions today. Additions of matrices. Now here it is given A matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, B matrix is 3, 7, 1, 1, 0. Find A plus B. A plus B we have to find out. Just simple. Both the matrix we are going to add. Addition. What we'll do? One simple step we can take here. So what they're asking, A plus B. No? So we'll write A plus B. A plus B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 3, 7, 1, 0. Add it and write it here outside. So 1 plus 3, 4. 2 plus 7, 9. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 0, 4 only. So 4944 is the A plus B matrices. We have added. What we have done? Simple. 1 plus 3, 2 plus 7, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 0. Like we have added. So this is one problem we have done. Clear? Next one. This is A bit, B bit. How the matrices are given in the B bit? A elements are 4, 0, 2, 3, 1, 6. How many rows are there? 1, 2. Columns, 3 columns are there. Now if you observe B matrix are here, rows are 2, columns are only 3. Here rows are 3, but here rows are only 2. They are asking us to add A plus B. Is it possible? Not possible. Always remember, if you want to add or subtract, especially additions and subtractions, rows and columns of A matrix and B matrix should be same, equal. Here it is not equal. So, addition is not possible. Do not get confused. Am I clear? Now next, come to the subtraction of matrix. Here what we have done, added 1 plus 3, 2 plus 7, like we have added. Subtractions, what do we do? Subtract. Minus it. Very simple. So, one problem is given to us. A elements are given 5, 6, 3, 1, 2, 4. B elements are 3, 1, 2, 4, 1, 6. Find A plus B and A minus B. Possible? Yes, possible, because the rows and columns are matching. Now first we'll go for A plus B, then after that A minus B. Both will do it. And of course, I'll give you homework. This is here. Now A plus B. First we'll see. A plus B is 5, 6, 3, 1, 2, 4 plus B 3, 1, 2, 4, 1, 6. We'll add and write 5, 3, 8, 6, 1, 7, 3, 2, 5, 1, 5, 1, 4, 5, 2, 1, 3, 4, 10. 8, 7, 5, 5, 3, 10. So this is the answer of A plus B. Clear? Now in the same way, A minus B. Same problem, A minus B. Once again, we have to write the elements like this. Same A elements minus B elements. Can we do directly? Yes, we can. But there is a procedure that we are following it. Now A elements will write once again. 5, 6, 3, 1, 2, 4 minus 3, 1, 2, 4, 1, 6. We'll subtract it. How do you subtract? 5 minus 3, 2. 6 minus 1, 5. 3 minus 2, 1. Next, 1 minus 4, minus 3. 2 minus 1, 1. 4 minus 6, minus 2. So this is about the subtraction, A minus B. A plus B, A minus B. That's all. Very simple. Only the thing you have to remember is, whenever you want to go for additions or subtractions, both the elements should be same. Elements in the sense, rows and columns should be same, like here. If the rows and columns are not matching, which is not possible to go for the subtraction or additions. Am I clear about it? Okay. Now, today you will have some homework problems. Exercises are given to you. Find A plus B. If A elements are like this, B elements are like this. Find out A plus B. Next, find A minus B. If A is like this, B is like this. Answers are also given. Very easy, isn't it? So, it's clear. Next class we'll go for the multiplication. Multiplication, various methods are there. Various points you have to remember. Anyhow, I'll make you to understand. Need not to worry. Stay connected, practice well, and good luck.